Are you dealing with water damage? It can be an overwhelming process if you're not sure where to start your search for help. Don't worry, we're here to make things easy because today we're chatting with a local water damage restoration expert who will help you find the right professional for the job. Incredible! What a huge impact a little time can make. With the right professional, the focus is simple. Would you like to learn more by connecting with today's expert? Just call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.